This is room number 5219 in the Sago Cay building at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa in Orlando, Florida. This suite has a light Mary Poppins design motif and some Victorian inspiration as well. Known as Disney's flagship resort, it opened in 1988 as the Grand Floridian Beach Resort, but changed to the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa in '97. It was spacious and tidy and had very useful updated outlets as well as that Hey Disney Alexa style resort voice assistant, though the room only still just had a drink cooler. This was considered an outer building resort view room, but the primary view was looking over their marina. To enjoy the fireworks in the evening, we found ourselves going down to the patio in front of their quick service restaurant, Gasparilla Grill, for a better view. See the links below for Disney's main page, the Wikipedia page to the resort, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed touring this room.